Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
This video shows the Zontes 310M scooter as a guide. All scooter CVT systems are the same, with a variator with rollers inside which is direct to the engine. This rotates the rollers which slide up the ramp plates inside, gripping the belt. The belt rotates to the clutch at the wheel end of the scooter, where a gearbox is located to transfer the power and keep revs at an optimum level. Cleaning out the CVT, continuously variable transmission, system of your motor scooter is crucial for several reasons. Prevents wear and tear. Dirt, debris, and oil can accumulate in the CVT system, causing excessive wear on the belt and pulleys. Regular cleaning helps extend the lifespan of these components. 1. Maintains performance. A clean CVT system ensures smooth and efficient power transfer from the engine to the wheels, maintaining optimal performance. Prevents overheating. The CVT system relies on proper airflow to keep the components cool. A clogged system can lead to overheating, which can damage the belt and pulleys too. Improves fuel efficiency. A well-maintained CVT system can help improve fuel efficiency by ensuring that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Reduces noise. Dirt and debris can cause the CVT system to make unusual noises. Cleaning it out can help reduce or eliminate these noises, ensuring a quieter ride. 3. Regular maintenance of the CVT system is essential for keeping your scooter running smoothly and efficiently.
Ooh.